The Xiaomi Redmi 9A was announced alongside with the Xiaomi Redmi 9C. Both devices are Xiaomi's new entry-level devices with the newly announced MediaTek Helio G25, which you can find on the Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and the MediaTek Helio G35, which you can find on the Xiaomi Redmi 9C. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Xiaomi Redmi 9A. What's up guys, it's Michael from Meda Unboxing. We are happy to make decisions in buying budget smartphones and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A is basically the Xiaomi Redmi 8A from 2019 with a little tweaks on the hardware and software. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A has a water drop notch display like its predecessor, which looks outdated in 2019, but we would have preferred a hole punch display. And at the back we have a single camera setup, which I will talk about later in the video. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 at the front with plastic frames and plastic bags that looks good for an $83 device. I love the design on here. It looks kind of minimalistic to me though. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A comes in 3 color options, which are the Midnight Grey, Twilight Blue and Peacock Green. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A has a 6.53-inch IPS LCD 720p HD Plus Corning Gorilla Glass 3 display, which is an improvement from its predecessor, the Xiaomi Redmi 8A, which has a 6.22-inch IPS LCD display, since most people now like big displays in 2020. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and also if you thought this device would come with a 1080p display, you might be disappointed, and you can't have everything for $83. And now you can kindly wake up from your dream of having 1080p display on this device. Performance wise, the Xiaomi Redmi 9A has the newly announced entry-level gaming chipset from MediaTek, which is the Helio G25. I don't really know how it performs day to day, but I will test it out when I get the device in hand. Also, the Xiaomi Redmi 9A is paired with a PowerVR GE8320 GPU. Don't know how the CPU and GPU performs, but I will personally test it out when the Xiaomi Redmi 9A is available in my country. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A runs on Android 10 with Xiaomi custom skin MIUI 11 slapped on top it. Hopefully the Xiaomi Redmi 9A will get MIUI 12 very soon. You can unlock your Xiaomi Redmi 9A in various ways, but the fingerprint sensor is absent on here like its predecessor. I mean, you can't get everything for below $90. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A has a 5000 mAh battery, which is also the same battery capacity we saw on its predecessor. And when the Xiaomi Redmi 9A battery is low, you can use the included charger in the box to juice up the device. The Xiaomi Redmi 9A comes in 2 storage variants, which are the 2GB RAM 32GB of internal storage and 3GB RAM 32GB of internal storage. If you need more storage, there is a slot in the card tray where you can expand your storage with your micro SD card up to 512GB. On the Xiaomi Redmi 9A, we have a single camera setup at the back, which is a 13MP wide camera like we saw on its predecessor, and also we have to depend on software for depth like we did on its predecessor, the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. While at the front we have a 5MP selfie camera. Basically what Xiaomi did here was just to bring the cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi 8A and just change the placement of where the camera is. Hopefully they improve on software for the cameras. For the price, the Xiaomi Redmi 9A will cost you around $83, which is 32,200 naira, which is a steal for an entry-level device with what is currently going on in the world for its price, and will be available in Malaysia from the 7th of July. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like it, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.